Leader of the youth, speaker of the troop. Right now, Tashkapa venue, alongside the crew, Yatinayo, what we're about to do, Panama tomorrow, is going to be marvelous. Without saying much, I leave it to my colleague.
Hi guys, yes, we're here tomorrow at the Civic Center, Campton Park. And I'm not going to say much too, I'm going to leave it to my brother.
So, hey, family, if I say much, I'm not going to say tomorrow is happening. Everybody's here, as you can see. The Woman King.
Hey, yo, welcome people, the Woman King here, Civic Center tomorrow, Friday, Hampton Park. Make sure you're here because we're going to be see you there.
Respect.
Oyo.
Hey, yo, welcome family, Nisha is here. As you can see, guys, the Nyasha. We are saying tomorrow, it's a Friday, 27 March, Campton Park. We're performing live. So make sure you're there. You can see
Is this somebody want to
Oh.